Jill, and I am the owner of InnerFit Studios, and I'm here to share with you our on-demand library and talk about our online classes. Now, I know with the inconsistency with gyms being open and closed, sometimes it's hard to get our workouts in, but fitness at home is just as fun and rewarding when you have a really great community supporting you and an awesome team of coaches, and we are here to help you. So whether you are brand new to fitness or you are looking to just have some fitness in your life daily, we've got your back. So our on-demand library is here with this link, which I will post below in this video. So all you have to do is sign up for a 10-day trial, which a link I'll also post again. And here it is. You take your email and your password and you sign in to our on-demand library. So from here, you're going to notice we actually have a lot of videos. So over the last year and a half, we have recorded every class that we've taught virtually and classes that we've also done in the studio. So you're going to notice we have about 400 videos currently, and each day we're uploading our newest class to the library. So all you have to do is scroll and you'll see our videos in terms of order from when they are uploaded. Or if you're looking for a specific class, you can always click on these three little lines and you can add classes to your favorite, so you can keep all your favorites right here. You can check out the category by newest, or you can hang out where it says weight training, interval training. Kelly, our wonderful yoga instructor, has lots of great yoga videos for you. Our boot camp classes, our aerobics classes are under the dance category. Pilates, booty burners, circuit workouts, our specialty classes and workshops. And then we have our newest program, which is the lift of the day. And you're going to notice it's broken down into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We've taken all the muscle groups and broken them down into 4 days, so you get very specific types of training. So we are here to support you and help you get you going. If you have any questions, all you have to do is drop us a line at info@innerfitstudios.com or send us a private message on any of our social media channels, and we are here to help you. So feel free to join us. It doesn't matter what your fitness level is. We are here to support you and help you reach your fitness goals and encourage you and have fun. We also do outside adventures, which we can still do during the lockdown, and we'll keep those posts as well. So we invite you to the InnerFit community. I hope you'll join us. Give us a chance and come have some fun with us. Have an awesome day and reach out if you have any questions for us.